Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel Zeeglobalvision Services. Today we will be discussing a topic of trust, a fundamental aspect of human relationships that shapes our interactions and influences the fabric of society. In this video, we'll delve into the concept of trust, its importance, and the factors that contribute to its formation. Trust can be defined as a belief or confidence in the reliability, integrity, and honesty of others. It is the foundation upon which relationships are built, whether it's personal relationships, business partnerships, or interactions within communities. Trust enables cooperation, collaboration, and the development of meaningful connections. Trust is essential because it creates a sense of security and predictability in our interactions. It allows us to rely on others, share vulnerabilities, and work together towards common goals. Trust facilitates effective communication, problem solving, and fosters a sense of belonging and emotional well-being. Trust is not built overnight. It requires consistent actions and behaviors that demonstrate reliability, honesty, and integrity. Factors such as transparency, open communication, fulfilling promises, and showing empathy contribute to the development of trust in relationships. Trust is a delicate balance between vulnerability and reassurance. It involves taking risks and opening oneself up to the possibility of being let down, but also having faith in the goodwill and intentions of others. Building trust requires active listening, demonstrating empathy, and being accountable for one's actions. Trust can be fragile, and when it is broken, it can have significant consequences. Betrayal, dishonesty, and breaches of trust can lead to feelings of hurt, resentment, and a breakdown in relationships. Rebuilding trust requires sincere apologies, consistent actions to rectify the harm caused, and a commitment to rebuilding the relationship. Trust is not a static state. It evolves and deepens over time based on our experiences and interactions. It is essential to communicate openly and honestly, address conflicts proactively, and cultivate a culture of trust within families, organizations, and communities. As we conclude our exploration of trust, it's important to recognize that trust is a fundamental aspect of human connection. It shapes our relationships, influences our decisions, and contributes to the well-being of individuals and societies. By understanding the importance of trust and actively nurturing it in our interactions, we can foster stronger, more resilient relationships and building a foundation of trust for a harmonious world. So, if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for future updates. And also, don't forget to check our other videos as well, other playlists on our channel for informative videos, and travel and tourism section as well, and also our podcasts. Thank you for your time, and see you in the next video.